Good morning, traders. It is my joy and pleasure being with you here on November 9th. I would like to remind you that we've been closed for the previous months because we've been with students in annual Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. If you miss the event, it's never too late to sign up. It's never too late to become quality trader and quality investors. Opportunities right now in the markets are spectacular, breathtaking, and present only every few years when it comes to position trading. And when it comes to day trading, volatility is back with vengeance, which means pain-free day trading. In front of you, critical institutional chart. When I work with hedge fund managers, when I work with Wall Street traders, when I mentor institutional traders who are moving millions and billions of dollars, this is a chart they trade. Billions of dollars not moved with a single click. It takes them days, weeks to get into position. Since March 23rd, every single day I spelled out. If you're touching short, you're trading again Goldman traders. This is Black Thursday, March 23rd. Let me remind you how Alpha Fibonacci System identified this in advance. As you will see, identical precision on day trading chart. Here's a system working back years until this moment. This is the event before 2016 election. Price at critical support 1800 number. As an investor, you know many months in advance that 2800 price will reverse. Prior to the next election, price struggling at critical Alpha Fibonacci resistance. You know many months in advance that when this resistance is out, price is heading to the next level. All in advance, never after the fact. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use Alpha Fibonacci System for long-term investment decisions. When price reaches reversal zone, sell off in a play, but you knew this years in advance. Day trading too much torture? This is a stunning reminder of the power of the system. And institutional charts, this is where millions and billions of dollars are moved. Correction 2019, 2018 ends when buyers step in with vengeance from critical support, but you knew this years in advance. This was critical resistance after 2016 election. So let's move forward and what played out in 2019. S&P selling off. Intelligent trader understands crash is always opportunity for intelligent, strategic, day and position trader who understands many months in advance where ultimate institutional buy point will be. Correct? There is no surprise, all precise. Day trading not your cup of tea. You're looking at the chart only every Friday. You never need anything else. Black Thursday, March 23rd, news is panicking. Such negativity, such horror. Alpha Fibonacci trader knows. Buying ultimate low with institutions, riding Goldman, BlackRock, JP Morgan trade is a brilliant thing to do. Do you know that those who I work with on Wall Street don't have short button? Did you know that? Oops! Boom! Institutions step in. Because those institutional traders I work with love to buy the market, because if they don't get paid. But you knew this months in advance. You're never shorting against JP Morgan traders, do you? And when buyers step in with vengeance, from institutional support identified many months in advance, you understand what is crucial, what is critical. You're absolutely very well prepared when price reaches reversal zone. And this is what we discussed every day in a bootcamp. We understand very well how institutions think, how institutions trade. Key support remains respected. There is no institutional sellers in this market. There is none. And that's strategic intelligent trading. Boom. So when scanner giving you multiple long alerts, you're riding bullish trend with institutions. You never ever trading against them, do you? You're not Walmart trader, are you? You're riding multi-billion, multi-million dollar trade. You're not listening to panic and negativity. Top 1% owns the news. Top 1% just became 30% richer. Because crash is always opportunity. March 23rd was ultimate buy point. And as we discussed in bootcamp, this was ultimate place to buy. Boom. You don't sweat bullets, you do not panic. You do not think as Walmart trader, do you? You're riding institutional train. When you're trading your little account, when you're trading your little micro account, your $3,000, your $5,000 account, this was ultimate buy, October 30th, November 1st, with Alpha Fibonacci System. If I convert this chart to 5, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, I'm leaving my pointer on. This is the reason system traded on Wall Street and globally by hedge fund managers in Saudi Arabia, by hedge fund managers, Forex traders in Switzerland, by traders of all caliber, of all sizes, from micro to macro accounts. We knew institutions buying every single pullback. I'm converting this chart to 5 minutes. Pay attention, please. Does not matter what chart you trade, you decide. System remains the same. All in advance, never after the fact. And if you're trading 10-minute chart, of course, there is no surprise. And if you're trading 15-minute chart, of course, identical buy points with institutions. Where are we right now? Right now we have a problem. Right now we're in the middle. We are not at support. We're not at the bottom, are we? We're in the middle. There is nothing conservative about this place. Nothing. This is painful. This is day trader's dream come true. Day trader who trading with institutions and not against them. This happened before election. But you knew this many months in advance. Many. And that's the power of the system and ultimate quality trading. So here's a text I received from my student. Boom! Listen to Carlton's podcast, music to my ears. Carlton, after trying for 15 plus years, trading for hedge fund, trading for himself. You can trade as Carlton because you will ride JP Morgan, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs train. That's the only way to trade. Here are more results from other traders. Brett, almost 5 points on S&P. If you pull 5 points on S&P a few times per week, you make phenomenal living. 5 points on S&P on one lot, $600, correct? 12, 5 points. My apology, 255. One lot, 5 points, $250. 10 lots, 2,500. 20 lots, 5,000. Flawless. You decide what instrument you want to trade. Jason, 13 ticks on silver, $25 per tick. That's why I constantly have to calculate in my mind different instruments, because every trader, different instrument, different account. Silver, $25 per tick. That's 250 plus 3 on 25. That's 325 on one lot, 3,250 on 10 and more. You decide what lot size you want to trade. Fang prefers Dow. $45 on Dow, $5 per tick. Every trader, different instrument, different account. $5 on 45, 200 plus 25, 225 on 10 lots, 2,250. Stunning and flawless. Gerald reports 265 points on Dow. Stunning. Incredible work. Breathtaking. This is what's possible when traders make an effort. These are students all over the world. Stunning and flawless and breathtaking. Listen to students' podcasts, you listen to students' journeys, because if these students can do it, so can you. One thing that's left to do: identify what you want to trade. As Gerald and Brett shared in bootcamp, their journeys, their stories. You simply have to make an effort, as these traders do daily. So right now, price in very different place. Buyers continue picking up this steam. We know that this would be war zone. This would be critical resistance next. Very different market this morning. But we knew this days, weeks and months ahead. That's the power of the system. You decide what you want to trade. So here's Apple traders right now. If you know what to do, if you understand Alpha Fibonacci system, you have very powerful opportunities on multiple stocks. You understand extremely well why Apple in bullish correction at Alpha Fibonacci bullish trend inception. You understand how to enter, you understand how to exit your trade. If you're trading oil, you understand that oil at critical Alpha Fibonacci resistance, the end of the minor trend. Oil been here since the month of June, frozen as expected. Pound, stunning and flawless reminder. Has anyone seen good news in Britain? There is nothing good that's happening in Britain. Brexit, COVID, Britain on the verge of another lockdown. So how is it possible we're seeing another stunning bullish rally? Because it's a bullish trend inception. That's the power of this system. You decide what you want to trade. Amazon is not crashing. It continues respecting support. With Alpha Fibonacci system, this was ultimate bullish trend inception, as intelligent trader always buys at support. That's it. That's the system in front of you since 2016 until today. from institutional charts to day trading charts to stocks to oil to Forex. System traded on all of these instruments. You decide what you want to trade. So if you decide to buy the market right now, you understand how critical and crucial this target is in front of you. Instantly trade last seconds. Intelligent trader moving and trailing trade very, very carefully. This is key moment. Again, we remain firm, we remain unwavered. We understand what institutions do. Since March 23rd, institutions viciously buying the markets. You're riding JP Morgan trade. You have zero interest in shorts. You're celebrating the pullbacks. But when price comes to reversal zone, you understand. Price collapses from this level 80+% of the time. You never entering into. Correct? Key moment. Critical when it comes to day trading. Trade is not on 1 minute. Trade converted to 1 minute for this video only. Massive number of bullish signals on multiple charts. But what does intelligent trader understand? Buying here at the bottom with institutions is very different than buying here. This is aggressive trading. And that's the market in front of you this morning, as you're witnessing. When price is not crashing through this level, it's a worthless pullback. Correct? Worthless. It's exact same thing you saw on institutional charts. Strategic trader trades markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. You will never need anything else. So as a day trader, you operate with ultimate sniper's mentality. As a day trader, you understand that ultimate precision is critical. In front of you, ultimate precision. In front of you, identical levels that show you clearly the crucial key moment and Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, the place you never enter into. This is the reason I named this level reversal zone. This is identical place where S&P sold off from in 2018. Long-term investment chart. This is identical place where sell-off started from in 2019. This is 2019 traders. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone reached on institutional chart. This is before the crash of 2020. And here it comes next. But this is identical level in front of you on 1 minute chart. It's identical accuracy now. Did we know or did we know? Of course. That's the power of the system traded globally. Identical formula applies to Apple, to pound, to oil, to gold, to silver, to Bitcoin, to anything you choose to trade. Choice is yours. Do you want today or position trade? You decide. And if you want to trade both, of course you can. Forever remember, do not ever disrespect Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Obey the rules, obey the game, and the skies are the limit. So price continue reminding you identical rule, identical moment. This is the power of Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Forever obey the rules and the skies are the limit. Market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci chess. If you buy with institutions and taking profits off the table where you exit your trade, you are done for the day. Boom. You will never, ever need anything else. So if you're ready to liberate your life, if you're ready to become a quality trader, I look forward to working with you. As join community of traders in 50 plus countries who are trading method on all platforms, all instruments, all time frames, all accounts in 50 plus countries since 2011. Listen to podcasts, view photos, see students' performance. More and more podcasts coming every week. More and more students' emails being uploaded. My poor overworked support, non-stop texts, non-stop emails. You can be one of those traders who are sending me this email, celebrating power of the system. Day and day and day again. Just don't trade and drive. Only Gerald can do this. Because if 14-year-old boy can do this, so can you. If Brett can do this, after 20 years of trying, so can you. Those are the traders who holding the bar for you, winning Forex competitions, doubling and tripling and quadrupling their accounts. No matter what crisis, no matter how small babies are, this is power of the system. This is power of humanity. You simply have to make an effort. And if you want to trade options, of course you can. And if you want to trade stocks or futures, absolutely. And every single day I receive the emails that stating this: best class ever. Every class better than the class before. It is simple evolution of the human, of the system, of the effort. I live and breathe what I do. And when market does this, in the middle of crisis, in the middle of not feeling well, while dealing with COVID in Italy, so can you. What is stopping you? These are the journeys of traders all over the world. It never gets old. I love what I do. And if you love the markets, you came to the right place. Because if these traders can do it, on stocks, on Forex, on options, on any instrument they choose, so can you. Simply make an effort. You have any question for me, do not hesitate to pick up the phone and call. Simply choose from 4 options available. Traders all over the world viewing videos. You don't have to be in class. If you have business, you can view videos. Group course for any platform or for Ninja 8 with software 3 months. Private mentoring up to 4 months. I meet with you one-on-one. 95% of private mentoring students finish private mentoring within a couple of months. Because when I hold your hand in the process, you do not need many sessions. What you do need to do is make an effort. In addition to one-on-one sessions, you have access to all group classes, all videos. And again, any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again, price reminding you, market is flawless alpha Fibonacci chess. Do not choose pain. Do not enter into reversal zone. 80% of the time, it doesn't matter if it's Apple, if it's Tesla, if it's Euro, if it's Pound, if it's oil. Price reverses from this level. Buy before, not into reversal zone. Obey the rules of Alpha Fibonacci chess. You will never, ever, ever need anything else.